Hello everyone. Today we are going to recite Hail Mary. We are going to recite Hail Mary to pray to Mother Mary, Mother of Jesus Christ. It is given in the Holy Bible that Jesus Christ and Mother Mary were invited to a wedding feast at Cana. When Mother Mary noticed that the wine, which was grape juice, has ran out, Jesus delivered a sign of his divinity by turning water into grape wine at her request. As Jesus listens to his mother's prayers, so let us recite this holy prayer. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is your fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for all of us, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. Have you ever imagined the origin of this prayer? According to the Gospel of Luke, chapter 1, verse 28, the first part of this prayer is greeting of Archangel Gabriel to Mother Mary. He said these lines to her when he appeared in front of Mother Mary to give her message that she will give birth to Jesus. The second part is also taken from the Gospel of Luke chapter 1 verse 42 when Elizabeth, who is mother of Saint John the Baptist, praises Mother Mary. She said these lines in a loud voice when Mother Mary went to meet Elizabeth. The third part of the prayer was added later by the church. Thank you guys for watching this video. May God bless you and your family. Amen.